Precognitive or prophetic dreams. You dream about events that manifest in the future, usually within 3 weeks, if not immediately. These can be personal or universal messages. You may also see your future partner, your children, a place you will live, or future events for the planet. Projections. What are projections? Dreams are projections just as we are projected thought experiencing in physical reality, which is nothing more than a conscious hologram. Actually, holograms within holograms in which we experience at different levels of awareness. Dreams can be compromised of still images where you may see a face and a telepathically receive information from that person, or they can be animations, animated scenes. They can project from your thoughts or the collective unconsciousness. Repetitive or recurring dreams. You have the same dream over and over, as if a message is being sent from the other side, which you have to understand. Very often, it is you sending yourself a message, often a warning. Sexual dreams. Sex plays a major part in our dream world for many of us. This depends upon its importance in our everyday lives. It's a powerful driving force like hunger and ambition. While we are awake, sex is ruled by social restrictions and conventions, but in our dreams, even the most timid of us can have explicit and excitingly sexy dreams once our repressed slaves are asleep. Sexual dreams are very common during puberty. Shared dreams. You remember the events in your dream that involve another person. At the same time, another person in your dream remembers the same events. Spirit dreams. Messages are given by those who have crossed over or a religious icon. These are often the soul of someone you knew, guiding your journey or telling you that you are okay on the other side. Now, teaching dreams. Dreams can have layers that unfold over many days. In that time, spirit can teach you through the symbol of light or other means that raise your level of awareness. Shamanic dreams often teach lessons. Tsunami. With accelerating earth changes, many people dream about large waves of water inundating them. This dream is becoming more common, especially for people who live in coastal areas. You may experience moving through a tunnel into a white light or returning from the light. This may be accompanied by the sound of whooshing water. You may meet someone or meet yourself at the end of the tunnel, much like near-death experience. While moving through the tunnel, you may move alone or see others. You can fly quickly or slowly. You can experience emotions with this dream journey, which often brings transformational messages. Universal dreams. These dreams are related to information you receive from the collective unconscious. The grids of our experience, Akashic records, hall of records that which creates the reality in which we live. Whenever a dream presents symbolic symbols of a cosmic nature, in all probability it is a representation of a universal dream. Such dreams are reflective of religious experiences and denotes changes that are to occur at some future times. External and internal factors that affects dreams. Just about anything, external or internal, can be incorporated in your dreams and influence the events. Sometimes the influences are positive, while other times they create fear and anxiety as they are warnings. Crystals can enhance dream state in many ways, depending on the type of crystal and how it is used. It can be placed near, under the pillow, or worn. Books and photos, audio tapes or other recording playing while you sleep, music, sound machine that creates a soothing noise, water, white noise, other astrological influences such as moon that is dependent on your natal chart, scent and herbs, health issues, diet, chemicals in the body, emotional issues, external stimuli while you are sleeping. Example, it is raining heavily outside, so water could be incorporated in your dream. The soul can take information from anything it is experiencing and incorporating into your dream. Events occurring prior to going to sleep, media, TV, radio, video, something you have read, a conversation or other physical activities can impact on your dream. Before and after dream time. As reality is programmed illusion, you can preset your programming for dream time before you go to sleep. The power of suggestion often works when it comes to dreams. If you want to remember at least one dream, tell yourself that before going to sleep. If you want to have if you do not want to have scary dreams before you go to sleep, mentally state that I do not want to have scary dreams. This, if you will tell, then you will have more scary dreams. State that you want to have a good dreams, a dream in which you are happy, you are achieving what you want to achieve. So always to have positive feelings or to program yourself positively so that you do not have any scary dreams. If someone is attacking you in dream time, tell your spirit guides to protect you and never allow that person near you. Example, an old lover who wants to contact with you in dreams. It is often helpful to review the events of your day before going to sleep, as if watching a movie. This is helpful if you wish to work out issues during dream time. After you wake up, it is best to remain still and focus on your dreams experiences, remembering and interpreting dreams. We dream in a higher frequency of thoughts and light than our physical experience. Therefore, when we slow down our frequency as we return to our conscious awareness to the physical mind and body, we often do not have the means to understand what occurred in a dream time. Our consciousness enters the physical mind. We return to the realms of the forgetfulness about who we are and the nature of a soul's experiences. Our thought processes move too slowly. Many view the physical as the dream time. As a result, as we were no longer aware, they see reality as a dream. Some people remember their dreams while others have little or no recognition. Dreams helps you work at issues. Emotions can distort memory. We often do not remember dreams because we do not wish to deal with the issues addressed. Most people remember what I can wake up dreams. As your consciousness returns to the physical mind, it slows down to a frequency where it becomes aware of something that is occurring on the other side that it wishes to remember. You wake up and you remember. If you only if only for a few minutes as your consciousness slowly returns to physical frequency. It is then you must record your dream information before the events are lost in time. Dream journal. It is often useful to keep a dated journal of your dreams. Keep it by your bed. Write the notes in the journal as soon as you wake up. You may not understand their content until later. Using a tape recorder is also advisable. Interpreting dreams. Dreams are interpreted, but they often vary. One must know about the dreamer and what is going on around them if this is a personal dream. If it is a universal dream, it may be more easily understood. For example, a friend of mine dreamed about the twin towers in the Manhattans been engulfed in water and collapsing. He dreamed this over and over again but did not understand its full meaning until the events of 9/11 occurred several weeks later. He is a fireman. He saw the water from the hoses. He lost many friends on 9/11. Some dreams are exact in content while others are metaphoric. Most dreams are symbols. Your mind can only process the events in the dream based on its symbol it understands. If you experience a dream that is not within the vocabulary of your mind, you will not be able to process and remember it. The physical mind has to be able to make sense of a dream. For you to remember, it's like a young child being taught calculus. It has no way of understanding and therefore processing or interpreting what it is been shown, so forget what it sees. In dream time, you generally receive messages in symbols or archetypes whose meaning you must later discover. This is not unlike messages received in meditation or other states of altered consciousness. Here is an example. You dream about keys. Keys open locks, doorways. Sometimes new will be shown. You must then look at the number of the keys given, the metal of which they were made, and anything else given in your dream related to these keys, such as who gave them to you. Death in a dream does not necessarily mean physical death in as such as transformation, old giving away to something new and better. A dream dictionary is often helpful in deciphering symbols as well as searching the internet for the symbolic meaning of that which has been shown to you. Asking for guidance. What I have discovered about myself is that when I am uncertain about an issue, I go to sleep and ask for guidance. Sometimes I am shown events in a dream that I remember and help me focus. Other times I don't remember the dreams when I wake up, but I know I have processed the information and know what the solution is. I often wake up with the feelings of closure about issues. My soul has made the decision that is best for me in third dimension.